So I went to the monetization part of my studio yesterday morning and I saw apply. I had hit the threshold to apply for YouTube partnership program to get monetized. And guys, am I amazed? Yes, I am. Am I excited? Absolutely. I started this channel July 3rd and here we are monetized and over 3,000 subscribers, amazing family members. And I just want to appreciate every single one of you because this couldn't have been possible without you guys. You guys made it happen. And I just wanted to encourage you as well to let you know that, listen, these things are possible. Okay. I know some people come around and they say, oh, YouTube is luck, YouTube is this, YouTube is that. But I want you to know that YouTube is not luck. YouTube is hard work. YouTube is strategy. And you can do it. You can do it. So I'm just taking a walk this beautiful morning. And I just wanted to stop by to let you know that you can do it. So as most of you know, if you've been subscribed to me for a while, you know that I started this other channel 2 years ago and the channel was not doing well. So I had been posting every single day for like 2 years, right? And I have over 1,000 videos on that channel. I was posting every day, every single day, either a long form or a short. I was posting. And one day I posted a short that gathered like almost 10,000 subscribers. And so I got 14,000 subscribers that subscribed from shorts, but they were not interested in long form videos, okay? So that channel was not doing well. I will post videos and I will have maybe like 23 or 33 videos. And one day the Holy Spirit just told me to pivot and to change and to start another channel. And so I want to let you know that it is okay to change. Okay. It is okay to switch. It is okay to change direction. When this year started and the Lord told me that this year was a year to reroute, I didn't know what he was talking about until July the 3rd, until now. Okay. When this channel blew up this much and I'm like, oh my God, this was what God was telling me to do. And I also listened to someone that said, if you have been doing something consistently and diligently for so long and it's not working, right? And you still stay there, it may be madness. Okay. Sometimes you just have to change. Sometimes you just have to pivot. Sometimes you just have to change direction, reroute. There are many ways to get to your goal. There are many ways to get to your destination. And my goal is to take you guys along, to let you know that you can do it, but you just have to put in the work. Okay. So when I started this channel, I started with posting every day. I was posting every day. Okay. And then because I was still running the other channel, I started to get burnt out. So I changed from every day to 3 times a week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. One thing that I always had was have a schedule and have a method to do this. Okay, so I changed to every 3 times a week, and that was going well until I decided that, you know what, I was going to put the other channel in the back burner and I was going to put my energy in this one. And I started to post every day. And I see a lot of people come and they're frustrated and like, my channel is not growing, my channel is not growing. And I go see your channel and I see that you have maybe 1 video in 8 months or 1 video in a month. I want you to know that it's not going to happen that way. It is definitely not going to happen that way. If you want your channel to grow, it takes a lot of work. It takes a lot of dedication and strategic dedication at that. So if you guys have not joined my community, I want you to go ahead and join that community because we'll be starting a YouTube growth challenge. Okay, and I want you to be part of it because everybody's going to win this year. Listen to your heart, listen to your mind, and ask yourself, do I really want to do this? And if you want to do it, you know that it takes a lot of dedication, it takes a lot of hard work. Sometimes it can be painful, but good morning. So sometimes it can be painful, but just know that dedication will take you through it. So don't give up. And my question for you today will be, how bad do you want it? How bad do you want your channel to grow? How bad do you want this progress? How bad do you want this success? How much do you want it? Because that is going to inform the energy and the drive that you put towards it. And it's easy to get excuses and say, you know what, I work in 9 to 5. I'm busy. Guys, I need to show you my view this morning. I'm just liking it. I'm enjoying the So it's easy for you to say, you know what, I'm tired when I get back from work and all of that. Um, but everybody always has an excuse. And when you keep giving excuses, you never get anything done. That is the way life is. Good morning. That is the way life is. You keep giving excuses, you never get anything done. Okay, see, I'm a mom, 3 kids. I homeschool all of them. So that means I'm a mom. I'm a teacher. Okay. Um, I do businesses from home. So there is always an excuse for me not to record videos every day, right? But I stay up late into the night, I'm filming, understanding still that I'm going to wake up early in the morning to get my kids started. So listen, there's always an excuse. I want you to break that barrier. Okay, stop making excuses. You can do it. You can do it. So you may be asking, what did I do differently this time? Number one, I was not scared to start again. So a lot of people, when you have hit 14,000 subscribers on a channel, I mean, it is only normal for you to want to stay there, stay put, and keep that working. Now, there are two things you can do. You can either change your content strategy or you can start again. But I had done a lot of work on that channel that starting again on that same channel would have been weird because I had like over 1,000 videos of my faith, okay? And it was time to start again. So I was not scared to start again. I was not scared to put that down and start again. See, in life, sometimes you may have made strides, you may have made progress with something, but that progress is not the actual progress you want, right? Don't be scared to start again. Because at that point, when you start again, the experiences you have gained from the other one that didn't work is going to come out to play in this new one. Okay, I had gained a lot of experiences. And another thing that I did was that I didn't give up. It was easy to give up. And there were nights that I cried. And I'm like, God, I have this information. I'm passing it across. But people don't even care about it. What is going on? You know, but I didn't give up. There were times that I would wake up from crying and still continue. I couldn't give up. It was not possible for me to give up. Okay, but I didn't give up. So when you don't give up, you learn along the way. You learn the things that God wants you to learn. Sometimes God is just putting you through those things so that you can learn something. Now, if you start to get frustrated and you don't learn it, that will be the worst thing that can ever happen to a person. So don't give up. Okay, just keep pushing through it because you are learning along the way. And when it is time to pivot and change direction, don't be too scared to start again. So don't be scared to change direction because the amount of time it took you to learn is not the amount of time it will take you to grow. Like I said, there's time for planting and there's time for harvest. So just imagine that time where the things are not happening, where it's not growing, just imagine that that's the time for planting and just go ahead and plant, okay? And wait for it to grow because at the end of the day, it's going to grow. Good morning. Because at the end of the day, it's going to grow. Number two, strategy. What is your strategy? Now you have to strategize. What are you going to be posting now? What are you going to be teaching? Are you going to keep posting the same thing? But now that you're not going to keep posting the same thing now that you've started again. So what is your strategy now? What do you want to post now? Okay. This is the time for you to learn YouTube or whatever it is you're trying to learn. This is the time for you to learn it. Okay. Now, this is the time for you to learn it. Learn YouTube. What are the things that you want to start posting? What is working on the streets of YouTube? What is working on the streets of YouTube? What resonates with you, right? There are niches that you can dive into that are different from the niche that you're coming from. Okay, what do you want to do now? But you have to have a strategy. How do you want to do it? How do you want to post? How do you want to provide value to people? Because a lot of people are talking about they wanting to grow, but nobody's wanting to provide value free of charge. What do you know that you can provide to the world free of charge without them paying for it? Okay, that is the value. What value are you bringing to the table? Because it is very, very important. Okay, so strategy, that is number 2. You have to be very, very strategic. Number 3, consistency. How often are you going to be posting? You're going to be consistent this time. You're not going to post this week and next week you're tired. You're not going to post only when it's comfortable or convenient for you. You're going to post regardless. Whether you're comfortable, whether you're tired, or whether you're weak, you're going to post regardless, because your comfort doesn't matter at this time. It is the goal that matters, right? It is the goal that matters. So you're going to be consistent this time. All right? You are going to be consistent this time. Number 4, learn more. Read books, study more, learn. Number 6, or whatever, pray to God. Now, I don't know your religion. I don't care about the religion. I am Christian, so I pray to God through Jesus. If you're Muslim, pray to Allah. Pray to God to give you inspiration. To give you inspiration. Now, don't just go on YouTube and just consume. Go understanding that you want to create, and that will inform what you're taking. So what, you're not just taking information, or you're not just trying to laugh or be entertained. You're taking information because you want to know what you also want to give out. Okay, that is very important as well. All right, so consistency, pray. Don't be scared to change your direction. Don't be scared to change your direction. All right, don't be scared to change your direction. Now, provide value. Be happy. Now, don't think the world is against you. Change your mindset. The world is not against you. You are the crafter of your own destiny. So what's that? So don't go thinking the world is against you, or things are not happening to you or for you. Okay, change that mindset. Understanding that however you write your story, that is how you're going to live it. And last but not least, set goals. What are your goals? What are your goals for the week? What are your goals for the month? What are your goals for the next 2 months? You have to set goals and write out how you're going to achieve those goals, and try as much as you can to make sure you achieve your goals. Okay? A person said that if you fail to plan, that means you're planning to fail. I never knew or understood how important goal setting is, but you have to set goals. You have to set goals. Okay, set your goals and plan to achieve them. Do whatever it takes, do whatever it will cost to achieve those goals, because that is what is going to set you apart. That is what qualifies you. All right. So like I said, guys, if you've not joined my community, the Thrive community, all right, join the Thrive community, guys. The link is in the description box. Join the Thrive community. We're going to kickstart a YouTube growth challenge, okay? And everyone that jumps on it, I'm sure you're going to see growth in your channel. I'm sure you're going to grow, okay? So this is from me to you. It is possible. And I just want to thank every one of you again. Thank you for joining. If this video has been helpful, kindly hit that subscribe button, okay? Give it a thumbs up. And guys, I'll see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.